Well, testing. Trying out a new camera. I hope this is good. Yeah. Flipping it up and side and back and forth. Vibration and stuff like that. Well, welcome to I got a half a can beer shop. So we're gonna try it out and see what this looks like. Pretty colors. Screen's small, but oh well. And this handsome fella. Yeah, right. Well, let's clean some parts, shall we? Here's I've got the left side case in the parts washer. I'm gonna do some scrubby dubby on that. This is the brush I got off my the old lady's stain cleaner. Hey, shh, that's between us, all right? I'm just getting the oil, grease and grime, all the buildup off of it. Then I'm gonna blast it, sandblast it, or bead blast or whatever. But I just want to clean try to get majority of all the oil off of it. Well, that's getting all the oil and grease off of it, and the old road grime off of it. That's one of the phases. Well, since I got that one cleaned up, I think I'll pause right here and go to the refrigerator and get me a adult beverage. Stay tuned. Well, now since I got both sides cases cleaned up, I think it turned out pretty well. You know, not bad. Take a look at them. I mean, this one here just came out of the bath, so it's gonna be wet. So there's no weld marks, no nothing, no repairs, all good. Everything's still bright and shiny. A little. The only thing I really don't like is the way this looked beat up. But I don't know if that's from the sand casting but improper shimming of the rotor charging system. And here's the right side. Looks pretty good, except for I got to get it machined, or press that one out and press a new one in and machine it down. New cam bushing. Because you can see it's burnt all the way through. Yeah, but everything else is Still good. So I got lucky on these bearings on my transmissions. But just that one cam bushing. That's what just on those right and left side cases right now for this 91 Sporty. Making a chopper out of it. You gotta stay tuned. I'm gonna do the complete build. Stay tuned. That's a 4-month-old. Dexter's 12.